Alright guys, here we go, and this is another edition of A-Frame Daydream. However, this time we're going to be doing something different, and we're not even in our camper. So, before we begin, if you could, please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. What we've got going on here today in our friend's camper, we got a leaky toilet that is just constantly on the run, from what they say. We're going to get this thing fixed so they don't have a mess on their floor anymore. So, what we've got a valve kit. We're going to go ahead and get this thing changed out. So, give me 1 second. We're going to get this set up on the floor. Hopefully I don't have to take this toilet off the floor. From what I've read, you can do this without taking it off the floor if you have some clearance. So, let me get set up. Alright guys, well, we should be able to get this pedal off here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open this up to make sure there's no water on. I already had them turn off the water, so we are good to go there. We're going to stick a towel under here. Now they say you should be able to do this without having to take the toilet off, which I don't think that this is going to happen. Okay guys, what I used was the butt end of the screwdriver. Just able to pop that right off. Now, in the directions, we've got if you have sufficient clearance, you do not have to remove your toilet. You can skip the removal of the toilet. We're going to go ahead and remove the old water valve. So we're just following the directions out of the this here. Just follow your directions and you're going to be good to go. And I think I found their issue. All that nasty grease. And then down in here, in them directions, there is a screw that you want to take out. It has a spring in it. We're going to find that. Alright, we got her out. But you can usually get that out with a with this. And this is going to be in your package with it. Alright, so we got the old parts out that we don't need anymore. And we do have some water coming out, of course. We're going to get the new package open. If you do got to take your toilet off, they gave you a new closet seal, which is that rubber seal goes on the bottom of the toilet. In this case, we didn't have to take this toilet off to do this repair. Now these two guys right here, they kind of just interfit. Now you'll notice you don't want much turn on this, so when you're looking at it, it's going to be like that. This is what you're turning on your water for you. So, but we're going to get the rubber seal onto here. We got that spring and that little washer to put in there. Got the new one here. Got it on. Hardest is going to be because I can't see. Honestly, guys, I really can't see, so we may end up having to... helps if I put it in the right one. So we'll try this again. Alright. This in. Seal. And then make sure that that's put in correctly. And then when putting it back in, you're just going to put it in the same way you're taking it off. I want to make sure everything fits in there snug. And then, okay. Now we should be able to just put the toilet back on here, the handle. As long as everything is, this is in the up position here. This one back here is in its down position. Everything's closed. This handle should just go right on as normal. Okay, that should fix them up, guys. So, we're going to have them try that out, see how it works. Alright guys, well, that is a wrap on that. We've got that taken care of for them. We've tested the water. They were saying it would take about 20 to 30 minutes. It would start overflowing and be all over their floor. So we've been in here for about 30 minutes now, and water has not overflowed. We used that foot pedal a few times. Other than that, we're going to call this a wrap. I'm sure they're going to be really happy to use this next week on their trips. So, other than that, Brian and Nikki, I hope you guys can enjoy that repair. So, talk to you guys later. Yeah. There ain't no mourning about this.